already you know, previous class we discussed templates. Once again 2 minutes just repeat that concept, templates. So as usual, a template is a very simple and powerful tool in C++ programming. A template is a mechanism to create a function or class deal with different data type. What is that? A class or function deal with different data types. It is very important. And next, of course, templates is a blueprint or formula to create a generic class or generic functions. What is generic? Generic is nothing. It is deal with different data items. Already we discussed function templates. Of course, function templates are two types, function templates and class templates. In last class we discussed function templates, so that compare with the function overloading and function templates. In function overloading, more than one function has the same name, but signature is different. Due to that, program code is increasing. To reduce the program code, we have to apply the function templates, that is a single function to deal with different data items, that is function template. So that is completed. So today we are going to discuss about class templates. What is class templates? Why we are using the class templates in C++? Now class templates. So before that, what is class? Why we are using the classes in C++? So normally we create a class for different data types. Of course, different classes for different data members. But here otherwise different member functions and different data types within a single class normally we creating. So in class templates, a single class is created for different data items. Simply a class is work for different data items, that is class templates. Now we are going to write a example program for class templates. So template class T. So next normal class, that is class mango as your example program that is given in your printed material, mango. So then private members integer x comma y, then public I'm going to declare a function, so that is a big function to find the big number given two numbers. When we given two numbers, so t big, so t a t b. So now here return type return, so now a greater than b. I am going to use conditional statement here. So in this, if it is true, then it takes a is the big value, otherwise it takes b is the big value. So then this is closed. Next I am going to use one more function, that is
ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కావాలి అంటే మా ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి లైక్ షేర్ కామెంట్ చేయండి.
t big of three variables tb tc. I am going to find out the largest value or big value among three variables or three values, that is return a greater than b and a greater than c. If a greater than b and operator here a greater than c, then by defaultly a is the largest value. So then a condition a, then rest of, otherwise if it is false, then check just b greater than c, then condition b is the largest value, otherwise finally c is the largest value. So this is I am using two functions. One is the two variables, second one is with three variables. So now main function void main. So next one is so just a variable declaration here, so that template is which type you should mention here, that is integer. So that is object is declared for mango class. Here it is the difficult to create an object for generic class. We should mention the which type of that one. Mango integer m1. So next m1 dot big of 4 comma 5. Big of 4 comma 5. That value is stored in k variable. So that is why C out big is equals to k. Big is equals to k. Next again integer n is equals to m1 of big of 4 comma 6 comma 5. Then C out. So now big is equals to so here k, then end L for new line. So here big is equals to n, that implies n. So then end L. So this is. So here what happened? So come here. Template class T, class mango. So here template variable is declared, template type. So private integer x comma y public. So here public big is the method as a template type. This is the template variable. Template variable. Template variable. So big two variables. I am taking two variables a, b. So among between two. So this is the conditional operator a greater than b. If it is true, then a is displayed. If it is false, b is displayed. So then finally we find out the largest value or big value. Now I am taking the function with three arguments. Return a greater than b and a greater than c. So if a greater than b is true and a greater than c is true, by default a is the largest value. Otherwise you have to check the rest of the two variables b and c, then b greater than c. So now b is the largest value. If a is not largest, if b is not largest, then c will be the largest. That is the conditional operator. So here main function, so it is a creating object for mango class m1. So then for find out the result and store or initialize the value into result k, m1 dot big 4 comma 5, two variables. Then control directly goes to big function, two variables. So when I am giving the three variables, then control goes to three variables big function. Then it processed and finally it gives result, which one is the big value. So this is the use of class templates in C++.